What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. My name's Shane Jaffe. I am the Manufactured Housing Expert. Today we're with Marina. Marina is a licensed manufactured home salesperson with HomeQuest. Today we are at Forest Gardens. We're gonna tour this beautiful 2011 Cavco, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms in a beautiful office. Marina, let's go take a look and show these guys what's inside this home. Before we go inside, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. We tour some of the best manufactured housing communities, just like Forest Gardens. We appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. Let's go take a look.
We're gonna walk inside the house. I wanna point out they have a beautiful large porch that you can enjoy barbecue, so family dinners, evening times, coffee, tea. You can look at the mountains a little bit on the horizontal or enjoy sunset or sunrise. Let's go take a look inside. The entry of this house, you're walking into upper floor plans. As you can see, they have a separate living room and also dining room. And follow me in the kitchen. You will love it. As you see, kitchen is pretty spacious. It have a modern touch, and we do have a stainless steel appliances included. Also, it's a kitchen island where you can prepare your meal before putting it on the oven.
This is such a beautiful home. I love these laminate countertops, tile edging. These are hardwood cabinets. They did a wonderful job. Another valuable asset here in the kitchen is this skylight. It allows so much natural light here. I love it. Marina pointed it out. She said this is one of her favorite as well.
And as you can see, we do have a breakfast area as well. Now, let's check it out, the bedrooms. Well, in this room, you can fit a larger table, a filing cabinet, and also the couch you can sleep in.
These are cathedral ceilings. In my opinion, cathedral ceilings open up the room a little bit more.
Well, welcome to the second room. This is a guest room. Can be for your kids or grandkids. So in this room, you actually can fit a queen size or even a king size bed with a nightstand. Don't forget about guest bathroom. It's really spacious and they have a bathtub for a bubble time. Here's the most important room of the house, the master bedroom. You see how spacious is it, and you can fit even 2 beds if you want to, but the queen size right now it's present, and if you have a California king, it will definitely fit in here. Now let's take a look for the master bathroom.
The master bathroom is definitely my favorite part. There's 2 sinks, a his and her sink with a walk-in shower, a lot of open space.
And also a separate bathroom.
We hope you enjoyed this home. Please leave your comments in the comment section. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. We premiere new and pre-owned manufactured mobile home tours on a weekly basis. Thank you for watching this edition with Shane and Marina.